this video, we will discuss the Leon Message Center. The Leon Message Center is available in the OPS module and located in the top bar of the view, marked with the envelope icon. The number by the envelope icon indicates the number of unread messages within the Message Center. Clicking on this icon will open the Unread OPS Messages window. It is possible to select what kind of messages should be visible on this dashboard by ticking and unticking the corresponding options. As you can see here, there's also an option to select all messages, or to clear all types of messages, and then select the ones that you would like to see. Of course, there's also an option to select all the types. This will affect all the places where the messages can be launched and has an impact on the number of unread messages displayed here, as well as here. This window contains the list of flights, sorted by the date from the oldest, the name of the email section, and the number of unread messages. Clicking on the name of the section opens the message section for the particular subsection. As you can see here, this message has been received from GTEx and sent by us. There's also a possibility of previewing services that were requested and the status of these services. Let's cancel and go back to the Message Center. It is also possible to mark all the messages as read by clicking on the Acknowledge All option. If we click on the Acknowledge All option, we'll be asked whether we are sure of this action. If we click on the check mark, all the messages within this section will be marked as read.